Okay, breakfast time. Ang bagal niya mag-inventory para kakain na. Ano yan? Marunong ka na magsulat, Arnold. Congratulations. Nag-thank you ka talaga eh, no? Kain na! Let's eat, guys! Thank you so much for having me here for how many days? For 10 days! Yeah, I'm leaving them. This is my last day in my work. Nice meeting you all. Wow!
Thank you so much.
Ano to, tuba? You know tuba? Tama na. Good. Okay, so finally guys, today is my last day. Sabi ko nga, na-mention ko na kayo na sa unang clip that I'm leaving my company. So because of that, I would like to say thank you of course to her group of company, specifically Zarub Restaurant, Meza House, Wiz Food Truck, and a lot more. Ang dami na kasi naming sister companies eh. Actually, company is growing and growing and growing. Hindi na sila mapipigilan. But then of course, I would like to say thank you so much for all the things that you've taught me. You are the reason why I'm become matured on so many things, not only just by operation, not only just by training, but also with the social media, the thing that I really like. Kaya thank you so much for everything. Guys, sa buhay kasi natin, in wherever we are, always make sure that you learn something, that you become matured on something. Kasi di ba yung mga bagay na mahirap na napagdaanan natin from our previous employers, those things are the ones that gives and that helps us to become mature in our life, di ba? Kaya nga po, my message to all OFWs who are working abroad is that wherever you are, make sure that you will learn something. Kasi minsan you wouldn't know, unconsciously, nagiging ibang tao ka na pala, that you look on things on different level na. So like in my case, the reason why I wanted to start my business, that is because I found out na I have skills na, I develop skills that can help me na talagang lumakas ang loob ko that okay, I think it's about time that I have to start it. Na kaya ko na. So, lahat ng bagay na to, nakapag-desisyon ako, it's because of the experience I've learned. So, yun lang yan. Kaya sa lahat ng mga friends ko, of course, all the staff ng Zarub and Meza House na nakilala ko, thank you so much for you being my friends. Okay, saying goodbye doesn't mean leaving naman guys, diba? Yeah, that's correct. Tama ba? Saying goodbye doesn't mean na I'm leaving. It only means that I'm just not be part of your team anymore, but I'm still part of your friends list, di ba? Kasi I'll be doing a lot of projects dito sa Dubai for Filipino community. I think we're actually planning of extending it to other community. Kasi I think we are all ready. So that's most important. And the plan of me going home in the Philippines to settle down is not yet actually hindi pa siya ready, I guess. I've been planning of actually going home since last year pa. But then it's just that I found out my value for Filipino community dito sa Dubai. Kaya parang sabi ko, okay, I have to give it another try. This time to give my full time na talagang mag-vlog, mag-share ng information, mag-share ng stories ng mga Filipino OFWs dito sa Dubai to help Filipino brands na mag-stand out pagdating sa social media, na also to discover Filipino talents, mga amateur vloggers. I will also try to help them na magawa yung mga ginagawa ko, maybe on a different way kasi vloggers has different styles. But then ang yung importante is that we Filipinos are very willing to help yung mga kapwa nating Pilipino na dito sa ibang bansa, lalo na yung mga baguhan, lalo yung mga hindi nila alam ang kanilang gagawin. And since everyone now are in social media, so we have to take advantage of social media for them to learn and to adjust and to become successful someday. Okay, so now I'm watching some of my hashtag Pinoy social media members video, the one they shared in our page. So like this one is Gem. Yun. She has this ice cream day.
Hi everybody! Welcome again to my channel. And today's kaganapan ay me and my sister will meet today kasi nga we're going to have a very quick bonding. This coming.
And then, ito ang pinagkakaabahan ko ngayong maghapon. Okay, I created a cover photo of all my members ng hashtag Pinoy Social Media. And I wish na talagang wala ko na missed out But I think we are now 2, 4, 6, 18, 2, 14, 16, 18, 22, 4, 26. Is that 26? Yeah, 26. And then we have newcomers pa na hindi pa kasi gumagawa kaya they are not yet a member but we're almost 13 na already. Kaya ang saya. Okay, so gabi na. I think today magpapahinga ko ng maaga. Okay, so goodbye for now guys. And simula na bukas, okay, yung TV show style na gagawin ko for Buhay sa Dubai. Abangan nyo po yun. Bye!